If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. This guide will help you calibrate your settings and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your PC or console meets the minimum system requirements for Elden Ring. This includes checking the CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space. If your system falls short, consider upgrading your hardware. Step 2. Update game and system. Make sure that both Elden Ring and your gaming system, PC or console are updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve performance. Check for updates in your game library or system settings. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in Elden Ring to see if that resolves the loading issue. Access the game's settings menu and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow details. This can help alleviate performance issues that may cause loading delays. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher like Steam or Epic Games to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them, which can help fix loading issues. Step 5. Restart and reinstall. If the problem persists, try restarting your gaming system. If that doesn't work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Elden Ring. This can resolve deeper issues that may be causing the loading screen to freeze. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially fix the stuck loading screen issue in Elden Ring. If problems continue, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.